A very good morning to all of you. I am sexologist and sex coach Dr. Uttam, and I welcome you to sex and relationship videos for straight men and women. In this video, I'm going to talk about a topic, and that is symptoms of different sexually transmitted infections. I get so many patients who ask me about the different symptoms of STIs, particularly when they have been sexually active, they have been infected, and are now trying to understand which kind of sexually transmitted infection they've had. Understandably, they are under a lot of fear, they are also under a lot of shame, they are also under a lot of social stigma and a host of other negative feelings which accompanies when you get a sexually transmitted infection. There are men and women who go through endless websites on the net, and since many of the websites are fake or are created by people who are not qualified to write articles about sexually transmitted infections, they end up watching scores of websites uh, where different kinds of material is published, and they do not understand which is the right source of information they should rely upon. And that's why that worries them all the more. And finally, they have no choice but to call up a qualified sexologist and find out what exactly is the cause of their problem or what kind of infection they are having. Now, let me tell you one thing at the outset, that if you have a sexually transmitted infection, you cannot treat it yourself. There is no way you can do that. The least you should know is what are the different kinds of sexually transmitted infections and what are the symptoms, so that if you are affected by any of them, you at least have a fair chance of knowing what kind of infection you have and then where you should head for. So, in case if you want to take this educative section, I'm educative session on sexually transmitted infections and their symptoms, you can take a session with me on any day between Monday to Saturday, evening timing 4 to 9 p.m. I can be contacted on my WhatsApp number 9920655464, and please do not forget to share this video with other men and women who might be sexually active but not very careful as to know how to prevent themselves from sexually transmitted infections, or even to know the basic symptoms of STIs which they may encounter in near future. Thank you very much for watching this video.